What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to day number 7642.7 of constant rain, doom, gloom, and no spring in sight. I've been on a hiatus. I'll talk more about that in the next video that I'm planning on filming after this, but I have been in a pickle. And what's bringing me out of my pickle? What's bringing me out of my Funkarella, my peanut butter and jelly pickle sandwich, is my Glovebox detail box. So we're gonna open this up. Again, I'm always excited to see what the hell is in this thing. And we're just gonna take this and hopefully take proper precautions to not cut our wee-wees off, because that is a situation. What I was told by somebody that was like, watch out, always take this and cut away from you. Ew, look at that. Hello. Get out of here. I decided I'm not going to be pulling out my big boy camera today. I'm on my Pocket 2 because, or Pocket 3? What the hell is this Pocket? I don't even know anymore. I haven't filmed in a while. I'm not even going to apologize. Just deal with it. So let's see what came in our Glovebox detail box. Oh, wait, we got to see the check engine light. That's the whole point of having all this backdrop stuff. Where do you see? You know, you go on Temu, you can get some weird crap on Temu, like random like rubber duckies. Stop. Random rubber duckies and all kinds of nonsense. So I've been buying little things here and there, and I'm like, I'm going to just start putting some cool stuff. And then I just had a little quote-unquote haul. A man's version of a haul is detailing products. I just ordered a bunch of stuff from the Red Company, and I'm going to do videos on that later on. But it was all the brushes from Detail Factory. They just came out with these like colored versions of their brushes. So now, you know... So now you're going to look out for this. You know, I got this. I've barely used this, but this came out in a black with gray. I almost bought this in black with the white. But then I'm like, okay, well, this is sort of close to the white. So do I need that? Did I need a second one of these? No. But I ended up buying a fender brush, interior brush, 2 interior brushes, 2 tire brushes. I don't even know what the hell I bought. I can't even tell you. But we're going to let you know when that time comes. What is this? Is this a pair of headphones? Oh no. What the hell? I thought it was a pair of headphones. Oh! Well, that is like the longest... That is like a freaking long, flaccid peepee, is what that is. It's definitely a vacuum attachment. I'm pretty sure I've seen something similar to this. You know what we need to do? I need to find a way to perch you up. I got a gimbal. Hold on. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? Okay, well, whatever. Oh! I'm gonna get banned, dude. I think I had bought something like this once upon a time, many moons ago, and I had it delivered, and I couldn't get it to undo this. So I think I returned it because it wouldn't stop doing this. So I'm hoping that I can maybe lay this like this and get this to stop doing this. Oh, excuse me if you hear a loud amount of air. Now, God, I can't win down here. I try. It is what it is. What is going on here? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Do I want to know? Do I want to know what happened in there? Oh boy. So, other than... this is like... Happy pee-pee? Sad pee-pee. So, that's definitely something that's pretty cool if you're... Ew. I got something's on my hand. I don't even know what's on my hand. I don't even want to know what's about to happen in here. That's definitely pretty cool if you're looking to have a crevice tool in between the seats, and I mean deep in between the seats. That's where that would come in. And we got 2 Scrub Ninjas. I love these. I have so many of these, and I'm weird. So when they get stained, I get maybe like 2 or 3 uses, and then I just say screw this and I throw it out because they're just like very affordable in my opinion. So I never end up keeping them long, but like you use them and they just get stained, but they work so well, so you don't want to get rid of them. Let's see. Hawk Tire Shine. So this plays off previous video where I showed you about my Hawk tire applicator, the Tire Shine applicator. I love this product, and I have a feeling if this isn't here, then that must be in there, which would be a phenomenal occurrence because I love mine. And here we go. I can't stress enough how cool it is that this is in this box. I'm very happy that Hawk got with the Glovebox Detail guys. This is definitely a collaboration that I can stand behind. I fully endorse this product. This thing has been such a cool thing. I've been very happy with mine. Actually, you know what's crazy? Now I'm really eager to find out. Look at the one I had, and this is this one. I guess maybe they're experimenting and they got different types of pads because, or maybe, I don't know. Is that I just have used the ever-loving hell out of this thing? I don't know. It also could be. I've used the ever-loving hell out of it. I love this thing. And I haven't been cleaning it as much as I should. But this thing is just so cool. This is such a good product. And you don't need to use their Tire Shine. But I'm telling you right now, this is a very, very good Tire Shine. Natural sheen finish. And it really is a natural sheen finish. I'm not the guy that likes the super glossiness. I'm not that guy. So that is definitely a good Tire Shine. And from my experience so far, I've gotten a couple weeks out of that. You can't base everything off of my current experience though, because it's been nothing but raining. What else is in here? All right, we've got Action Products. This isn't the first time we've seen this name, Action Products. This is plastic and leather cleaner. And it's made in the USA. That's what I do remember about the Action Products. Before, what was the last Action Products thing? Was it window cleaner? I don't remember. It smells good. Doesn't have a stench to it. Plastic and leather cleaner, definitely cool. What did I have last time? Oh, I still have that bottle. Very cool. I actually liked this glass cleaner. It's not overpowering. Again, made in the USA, like the other one. I like the logo. It's pretty cool. Action Products. AP. Like it. Pretty cool. So now we got a plastic and leather cleaner. You could use this with your leather cleaner and your plastic cleaner. We got a Tire Shine. Everything usually ties together in some way, shape, or form. We've got the sad or happy pee-pee, whichever way you're deciding to look at it. Are you an optimist or are you a pessimist? Is the glass half full or is the glass half empty? Is your pee-pee half mast or is it full mast? We don't know. Nobody knows. It's up to you. You are the individual that decides how this goes. All right. We also have 2 more products in here. I'm very confused as to all right, there's nothing else in here. Where did this come off of? Does this go on here? Maybe? Is that what this is? Yeah, that's got to be. Okay. All right. It's got to be. All right. So we got a little thing. I was like, phew. Mystery. So what is this? Oh, wait a minute. I've actually looked at this before, and I was... Stop. This is really good. Listen, I don't hold back my emotions. I don't hold back my feelings. I've been wanting to try this product. I have actually wanted to try this product. I can't tell you what it was. I've seen it pop up a couple times, and I don't know if it was just like the little, like the way that they wrote this, like serial killer type font up here that caught my interest. Usually when you see the word tire spelled that way, that's usually like the Europe, UK, and that general area type boys, Italy, apparently. And this stuff has been getting some buzz. This bottle looks pretty freaking ridiculously cool. Yeah, man. This is from Italy. This is a beefy, this is a big boy bottle. This is a big boy bottle. I'm excited. I'm actually genuinely excited. This is a solid box. Solid box. Like, there's nothing in here that I'm disappointed in. You know, obviously we're going by honesty, right? I don't know, for me personally, how much use I'm going to get out of the plastic and leather cleaner, just because I'm very OCD when it comes to my leather and plastics being cleaned with certain stuff, and I have so many other products, but I will be giving this a try. And this, you can't go wrong with this. This is 100% a solid thing, no matter what leather or interior cleaner you're using. This is solid. And you've got a very good tire dressing, a phenomenal tire dressing applicator, and we got caps popping all over the place. And this is a wheel and tire cleaner that, like I said, I've been super excited to try. And not only am I going to get to try this, I've got a honker 1000 ml bottle to give it a whirl. And we've got this bad boy. I'm actually curious to see real quick, because I have a, let me show you. My vacuum setup is set up like this, and I have like a central vac setup. And I believe, if I take this off, I believe that this should fit there. So we're gonna have to figure this out. We are absolutely gonna have to figure this sad or happy peepee thing out. But this is absolutely something I will get use out of. It's like gimbal endpoint reached. Gimbal endpoint reached. You start recording with the gimbal, you're living life on the wild side. So yeah, I mean, listen, you could take it for face value. You could take my opinion, or you could not take my opinion. It's up to you. Again, I don't get paid to tell you anything about this box. I'm not getting some sort of monetary kickbacks and all this other stuff. I have this box. I'm giving you my honest assessment of each of the products in the box, and how exciting it is. You're opening things up. It's like Christmas morning. So like I said a million times, you can either get the box or you don't have to get the box. There's no persuading you either which way. I personally feel like it's something worth getting. It's something worth investing. And when I say investing in, I very much mean that lightly, because I don't consider this some sort of big financial investment. You can try this out. There's like literally nothing to lose except for 1 month worth of not much money. You're literally paying a very good price for a lot of products. That's literally how I could describe this box. There's nothing else more to say. You could go do it. And you could use code OCD. You can save on your first box. You can cancel at any time after that. And then that's the end of it. Give it a whirl. See if you like it. See if you find value in it. I like the whole mystery aspect of it. I had literally no flipping idea that this product was going to be in there. I am very excited that this product is in there. I'm not going to stop talking about how excited I am to try this damn thing now. And now I'm like just hooked up into a big conundrum, because I have so many other damn products for wheels and tires that I haven't quite finished using or trying out. I've got tire cleaners and wheel cleaners and solution APCs and different mixtures and all these different things and all these different combinations of whatnot and who diddles. And I have yet again something else to try now. Thank you so much, Glovebox Detail. You've just given me more stuff to do. My wife's gonna love you. I'm gonna be down here for hours each weekend cleaning the car, and I'm probably going to end up cleaning and re-cleaning it. I might clean the damn thing, drive through some mud, and then have to go re-clean it again, just so I can start testing some things out. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, I truly, truly appreciate you. Thank you so much for stopping by. It is heading toward allergy season. I am going to be sneezing like crazy. I probably will sneeze within the next 3 seconds. That's why I'm going to end this video right now. I love you guys. I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble, and I'll see you guys on the next one.